Hi everybody. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace a glass screen protector on my wife's phone. So let's just get into it right now here at my workbench. This is my wife's phone, and it's broken, cracked, and not very pretty. Okay, let's start by removing the screen protector. Here I'm using a razor blade with a fancy little holder. You can find this screen protector for any phone by using my Amazon affiliate link in the description below this video. You want to remove this slowly in order to keep it from breaking. Now we can discard this and get back to cleaning the phone. We can use glass cleaner or isopropyl alcohol to clean off the face of the phone. You can see there's a bunch of debris on the face of this phone. Here I'm cleaning this off. Now I'm coming in with a wet wipe, which is included with the screen protector. You want to use a spiral method from the center of the phone to the perimeter of the phone in order to prevent any streaking. Streaking, that's funny. That's what you call somebody that's running naked through a crowd of people. And now we're coming in with a lint-free towel. Well, it's kind of lint-free. Yeah. All right, this isn't working. The large dust sticker. This is actually included with the installation kit. Run this over the face of your phone, overlapping. Yeah, just like that. Bringing the small dust sticker just in case there's any little debris left over. This looks perfectly clean. And now we're coming in with the mounting tool. Peel the adhesive backing. Apply to the upper edge of the mounting bracket. And let it fall into place. Let the adhesive take over. Oh, I've got an air bubble. Now I can remove this air bubble with pressure, moving toward the edge of the phone. Let's take this mounting bracket off. Yeah, using pressure around the perimeter, and that will remove all the air bubbles. Thanks for watching all the way to the end of the video. I appreciate you guys.